yakni benta jongga khubor la wanra spi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Menteri Rangba Benrap ke Sorkar Jela Meglia ubah Presiden Shong ulayathu ba Chief Secretary haringkat berkatarat kampun noisor gidang Wad Jaka nak bentaban Ailad Nongdie Madan ban Shong dia macing dia. Ubah Presiden habakran baglap thai kubor hen kesni ke absen tri ujeliu ulong kathong ka ba khmatam ya ke Sorkar menta ka long penduna ya ke jinglom beriu kum si benta bente lakam ya ke jing saprang ka khlam jing pang COVID-19 bat kum juru ban penti kena bagi pai ba ke Jela kidan ha padang ke jing sangan. Shushu ubah Presiden ulong ba ke Sorkar kampat la ban sya ya Nongdie Madan bat kinde jing dia hakilinti sengkian bat kisrok namar kapentut ya kinong let nawan.
In fact, I understand their intention is to again allow them to start their small businesses on the roadside. But let me just tell you to be very frank, I think that is very, very difficult. Okay, because we add up congestion. So right now, I think social distance is very important. Okay, safety is more important than anything else. Then number two, now shops are being opened. Even in the shops, why we have to do it alternately? Why we have to do it on rotational basis? You understand that we wanted to reduce the congestion as much as possible. So therefore, if we allow maybe 100 or 200 street hawkers, then we will have problem because ultimately they have to be there on the roadside. So as I said to you, safety is more important than anything else. And number two, of course, I've asked the Chief Secretary, and then now they're working out with Urban Affairs Department to identify a place. Wherever the place is there, at least temporarily. So now, as I said to you, right now they are working out. Where are the places where we can, allow them to at least carry out their daily small businesses. We feel pity for them. Why not? We do feel pity from the government side. But unless we have the identified places, still we can't say anything. That's what I'm telling you. We have already entrusted Chief Secretary. Chief Secretary is now on a job along with Urban Affairs Department as well as with the CEO of Municipal.